Hey guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're just on real quick. You're going to help me construct this birthday card for my sister-in-law, whose birthday is in 2 days. So I have to get this sucker in the mail today. And, you know, like, I don't know if it's like all of us, but I'm always last minute. So while I am putting glue on this little happy birthday sign here, this year we'll start to, well, I don't even want to say celebrate, but it will be the second round of COVID holidays. Now, my sister-in-law's birthday is on the 25th, and mine is on the 28th of March, and last year we had planned to go bowling, family bowling, which we'd never done together, and it was just like, yeah, let's do something. And then all of a sudden, boom, COVID hit, and we did not go. And it's just been, you know, since then. So yes, this is year 2 of COVID holidays, right? Everything started in March. I was trying to figure out when we started wearing the masks, like everywhere we went. Like, I know I was wearing gloves. I know that, you know, we were keeping our distance, but were we wearing masks in the very, very beginning? I don't think we were. And I'm only asking about that because I don't recall wearing a mask in the summer heat last year. But again, we weren't able to do as many things last year. This year there's, you know, things are open more and that. So we shall see. All right. So I just have my little birthday thing here, and I did do some ink blending on a card base. So we're going to stick that on there. Yeah, see, I messed up the back, or messed up the first front. And we're just going to use our Barely Arts glue. Speaking of which, right now they're doing the cards for Cubs, and I want to send off, I have cards made. I want to send off some cards for that. They're for foster kids. So that's a great reason to send cards out, right? So I'm definitely going to have to look into that. I did that last year, so should do it again this year. And so we're going to glue this onto here. And then, so I'm thinking of keeping it pretty simple, you know. I'm just going to take this base here. And look, I've been stocking up, or trying to stock up on the Distress Oxides, but look at, like, this is the yellow, that's the green. Look how close they are in color. I didn't like that. I wanted more of a contrast, but I didn't get it. So, all right, so if we just keep that like that, and then we're going to do happy birthday there. And then I wanted to just add a little, oh, in here, let's go ahead and stamp our inside, and we're just going to stamp that with some cheap old black ink. Oh, not cheap, but nothing special. Nothing special. So just make sure, because we're doing this with the actual stamp, let's make sure we get enough ink on there and get a good clean stamp the first time. All right, I got it. It's not so dark. The ink looks like, I don't know, light. All right, well, anywho, all right, we got that done. So now we have this. Now, let's see. I do have some of these dots that were cut out. No, that's not going to go. I'm trying to see if I just have something laying around here that I can pop on this card. These little bunny butts are cute, right? But that's not for birthday. It's not for birthday cards. So I can't find anything in there. All right, so let's just take a sip of coffee. All right, so let's just see. Colors. I'm kind of like, I don't know, is it too, it's too manly looking right now, but you can no, maybe not, but you can absolutely, maybe just some sequins, guys. Maybe I'll just pop some pretty sequins on there, and then that will take care of it, right? We just keep it simple. Do we do sequins or do we do some dots? Let's go check our dots. Okay, nope, hang on guys. We're going to do instead. Okay, let's see if we have anything in this one. You know why we're not doing Nouveau dots? Because I have to mail it today. So it's got to be something that dries pretty quickly. And, well, I'm still going to need my glue. So let's do that. All right, and let's just find a little mix here that will go good. I'm thinking maybe the yellow, because that has some oranges in it. Ooh, yeah. Okay. And then all we're gonna do, where's my other little thing? Oh no, it's upstairs. Oh no. See, this is why you always need two of it. Oh, sorry, my chair. This is why you need two of everything. Because now I have my little like tool that'll pick up the sequins. I have that upstairs and I don't want to go up there and get it. So let's just pop some of these out. Okay. And we'll just use our tweezers to put these on. So I'm just going to put some of these on here and then I think that's going to be really cute. So did I glue that on? I didn't even glue that on yet. Should I raise that up? I think we'll raise it up. All right, so let's do that. Let's do that. Okay, so what's going on, guys? Here it is starting to get warmer out, which is really nice. I don't know. I've been struggling with the cold weather this year. Maybe it's the virus too, you know. The vaccine is around. Have not gotten it yet. I did put myself on a list. My mom got it. My dad's getting it this week. My mother-in-law got it. I'm not sure who else. Oh, my brother and sister-in-law, they got it, but they are both teachers, so they had to get it. And then I'm not really sure who else I know that got it. But yeah, so we'll see how that goes. I registered on one site with the state. I thought that's what you had to do. And then, you know, somebody reaches out to you. But apparently there's a bunch of different sites you can register on to get put on a list at those particular locations. So I'm going to probably try and do some of that. What's today? Today is Tuesday. Yeah, it's early in the morning before work. I think I have meetings tomorrow and Thursday, earlier than normal, so I won't be in the craft room then. So, all right, so let's just take that. Does that look good? Does it look even? All right, pop that on there. I like the color. I wanted like that navy blue just to pop. Pop. All right, so now let's go ahead and put some sequins on here, and we're just going to kind of randomly put them. I do like to put like little clusters, so let's see how that goes. Okay, little yellow one there. I can't believe how good this sequins mix is matching this card, right? Guys, I swear I have a sequins mix that could match any possible thing that I'm doing, and if I don't, I can create one. So, oh my God, if you ever see me buying sequins again, please tell me to stop. Because there is no more reason to have sequins in my life, because I have enough. All right, so let's do another one here. Actually, here I think I'm going to do like a little layered sequins because we have these really big ones. So let's put that there. Okay, and then we're going to put this one in the center. Let's see how this looks. Now I am going to have to wait for this to dry, but it's not going to take as long as if I were to do the Nuvo drops or stickles or something like that. Here's like a green one. Let's see if I can get this green one in the middle here. Okay, whoops, come on. Okay, so that's kind of cute, right? Little, I don't know. Should have just left it single ones. So now we're just going to kind of pop around here and load her up. Load her up with some sequins. These are cute. These are like flat iridescent ones with no hole in them. I like those a lot. Let's put another one of those up here. Boop, boop. All right, guys. Well, I think I'm going to finish this up and then get it out in the mail. And why does that look like there's something behind there? I got to put something on top of that now because it just doesn't look right. Let's put this yellow one there. Oh, wait, what? We got this itty bitty bitty green one. Let's try that. Yeah, how tiny that is. Whoops. Is that even a sequin? What is that? Okay. It's a little itty bitty, and we're going to put it in the center because I got a little bit of dark color on there. Okay, whoops. All right, and oh, we got some over here. So maybe I don't need the tweezer. Maybe I can just use my fingers here. And put that one there. A couple more little dots, and then maybe we need one dot on the happy birthday here. So let's put a cute pink one there. Whoops. Don't want to smear. Now we got to bring our tweezers back. Okay. Okay. And just get a couple more here. So put that little one there. Give a bigger one over here. Since that other big one I decided to layer up. Why is it dark there? Like, what is going on? Oh, here's a little seed bead. Let's put that in the center there. Let's see if we can get that in there. I don't even know if we can. It's itty bitty. Okay. Oh, no, it's not going to come off my tweezer now. It's stuck. Where is it? Go, 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 go. There it is. Now it's stuck on my finger. Okay. There it is. Okay, so once it dries, it'll look really cute, I think. All right, so I think we have enough sequins on here, right? All right, so I'm just going to pull out an envelope. Let's put these sequins back in here so we don't waste anything. Put this over here because I tend to mess up anything that I have that is drying because I forget within a second that it's got wet glue on it. Okay, so there we go. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next crafty video.